Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive into tech accessories that actually make a difference. Today we're looking at something small, inexpensive, and surprisingly impactful. The EVELLHPP USG-003 2800 mAh replacement battery for the Nintendo DS Lite. If you've got an old NDSL console lying around with a battery that barely holds a charge, this little upgrade might be exactly what brings it back to life. Let's start with what this product actually is. The USG-003 is an upgraded lithium polymer replacement battery designed specifically for the Nintendo DS Lite. It's not compatible with the DSi, DSi XL, or DSi LL, so make sure you've got the right system before ordering. The original DS Lite battery was around 1000 to 1200 mAh depending on the revision, so right away this advertised 2800 mAh capacity looks like a massive increase on paper. If you've been dealing with short play sessions or a DS Lite that dies after a few minutes, this is definitely promising. Inside the box you're not going to find much, just the battery and a small screwdriver. But honestly, that's all you need. Installing the battery is extremely simple. On the back of your DS Lite, there's a single screw that secures the battery cover. Using the included screwdriver, you remove that one screw, lift the cover, pull out the old battery, and drop the new one into place. Once you screw the cover back on, you're done. No soldering, no complicated disassembly, and no risk of damaging your system if you follow the basic steps. Now, let's talk about the actual battery quality. EVELLHPP claims that each battery goes through multi-stage professional testing to prevent overcharging, over-discharging, and overheating. They're using lithium polymer cells, which are fairly standard for handhelds because they offer a good balance between capacity and stability. According to the manufacturer, the battery supports over 1,000 charge cycles, which means it should last a long time if you treat it correctly. The company does recommend a proper break-in period. That means for your first few uses, you should charge the battery fully, drain it, and then charge it again to maximize longevity and unlock its full performance. Usually it takes about 3 to 5 full charge cycles before the battery reaches peak capacity. It's also important to use the original DS Lite charger to get the most accurate charging behavior. As for performance, a battery advertised at 2800 mAh should theoretically provide far longer playtime than the stock DS Lite battery. While real-world performance often varies depending on the quality of the cells and the power consumption of your specific console, the upgrade should still give you noticeably more time between charges. One thing worth noting is shipping. Some regions won't allow this item to be delivered due to lithium battery restrictions. If you're watching this from outside the United States, you may have to look for alternate sellers or different stocking options. In terms of build, the battery has the same physical shape and connector placement as the original. No modifications needed. The weight is listed at about 1.76 ounces, and it fits cleanly into the DS Lite's battery compartment. The packaging is very compact, and the product is manufactured by Shenzhen Max Power Technology Company Limited, a company that produces various small electronics components. If we look at how this fits into the bigger picture, it's honestly one of the easiest ways to revive a DS Lite that's been sitting unused for years. Many people think their DS is broken when really it just has a completely dead battery. For a very low cost and a few minutes of effort, you can bring the system back to full functionality. Considering how many DS Lite consoles are still floating around in drawers and closets, a replacement battery is a must-have if you're even thinking about replaying classic titles. So who is this product for? It's perfect for retro gamers, collectors, parents trying to restore a handheld for their kids, or anyone who still loves the DS Lite's library. If your system shuts off randomly, won't hold a charge, or only powers on when plugged in, this is an extremely practical fix. To wrap things up, the EVELLHPP USG-003 replacement battery offers an affordable, straightforward solution for aging DS Lite systems. It boasts a significantly higher advertised capacity, includes basic protection circuitry, and installs in under a minute. If you want to breathe new life into your handheld without spending much, this is one of the simplest upgrades you can make. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoy deep dives into tech accessories and restoration gear, Make sure you subscribe for more reviews just like this. Let me know in the comments if you're restoring a DS Lite or if there's another retro device you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.